Over the last number of weeks, there has been a significant and worrying increase in the numbers of people diagnosed with COVID-19. Following public health advice, the government decided today to introduce a new series of restrictive measures designed to suppress the virus, reduce those numbers, and above all, protect our most vulnerable in society from getting this disease. Parallel with that, government is very anxious to make sure that we keep our economy working and open, and also that the non-COVID aspect of our health services is resumed as well. Above all, we want our schools reopening fully in a number of weeks' time. And these measures are brought in with a view to helping us to open our schools and to provide vital health services to our people. Above all, we each owe a responsibility to each other, and behaviour is key in terms of suppressing this virus. And that is why, in particular, the public health advice has focused on the size of gatherings, both indoors and outdoors. Thank you.